Hey guys, it's Miss Parnell. I am going to redo lessons 4, 5, and 6 for you where it's more user friendly. So you won't be having to attach anything. Everything will be submitted through Google Classroom. It shouldn't take you very long at all to do these 3 units again because you already probably have watched the videos and everything. But I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to do, and it's just going to make it easier, user friendly, and you won't have anything to attach. So that's why I'm doing this. So when you log into your Google Classroom, the first thing you're going to do is go straight to your classwork. Okay, and the first one you would click on would be the CSP Computer Science Principles Unit 2, the Internet Lesson 4, and that is routers and redundancy. Okay, so what I have included in here, all of this, is the things that you need to watch. Like I said, you probably have already watched them, but it wouldn't be a bad idea just to go ahead and watch them again. So this would be the first one you'd watch. It's about an 11-minute video on the routers and redundancy from code.org. It's like 11 minutes. So you would watch that first. If you click on it, it's going to open up like this, and then you
Lesson
can
4,
then
Routing and Redundancy.
redundancy, and
In
then
this lesson,
you can you watch this, and she will be telling you everything that you need to do. She explains it very well, and then you after the video, you would go back to your classwork. You can just do back it out, and now you're back to your classwork. Okay, and the next one, now this one is on. It's a Google Doc, and it's got a video on it. This is the only way I could get the video to save, is to make a copy of the whole doc for you. But it's only one of them on here that you'll need to watch. And if I click on this one, now you can watch this one before you do your assessments, or you do the internet simulator, or do it afterwards, or anytime that you want to watch it. But it's a good thing. It shows you how she walks you through everything on how your screen should look when you do the internet simulator. Okay, so if you click on the copy of the CSP Unit 2 Lesson 4, you click on that, and then it's going to take you here. Okay, it's the these are the modifications that they have given us to use for our social distancing classes, virtual classes, anything like that. So what I wanted to do would be to click here. It says this first section, demo video. You click on it, point to it, click. It's going to open up like this. So if you come down and just click on it, it's going to open up in this. And okay, so this is, she'll be talking up here, telling you what she's doing. And this is all router logs, and it shows you all the traffic and who all you've been talking to. So if you click on this, it'll start, and there it goes. And it takes you straight to,
all right, we
she's
are
showing
in.
you what it looks like in code.org. Okay, so now I would go back and click on my classwork tab, and then this is when I would come down and click on the code.org link. Click here, and it's going to open up this. It tells you what lesson it is, and we're on the number one, the lesson overview. So you learn how information is routed through the internet, and reasons networks often will include many multiple paths between different points in the network. So then click on continue. Let's see, make sure I've got you on student view. Okay, we're going to go to student view, and then click on continue. You won't see this bar. That's just for me. Okay, now if you look here, it'll say puzzle 2 of 4, and y'all have probably seen this. It's an updated internet simulator. We've done that. We've done it in class, And it's just, if you scroll down through here, it's going to give you some information about it. It's going to tell you about your routers, and who can see you on the network. And remember, we went through this with our IP addresses. So in one we did, we didn't know who we were talking to. But if you've got an IP address, you know who you're talking to. This just happens to be on router 2, and this is 2.9, 2.7, and 2.14 for the IP addresses. And it tells you, what each unique IP address is. And you just come on, scroll down, and it tells you about sending your messages. And then, oh, sorry, scroll back down again, and it says sending the messages and who you're going to send it to. This is your ASCII. That you're going to send it to this IP address, and it's going to be from your IP address, and this is going to be the message. And then you're going to, it will run the router statistics for you, and you bring that down. And then here's everything. All this is within the internet simulator. So walk through all that, just read it really good, and it gives you your router logs. Okay, so now just click on OK. It's going to take you back to where we were running the internet simulator. And then the next one, if you point to it, it's going to say check for understanding. Now this will be what's going to go down in the grade book. Okay. I'll change the grade book out, but this is the way we're going to turn our work in from now on, just because of the distance, and I'm away from y'all for right now. And then we just want to make sure that everybody is on the same page, and this gives everybody an opportunity that who has not done their work, that they need to get it done, but it's going to be done on this. Okay. If you've watched all the videos and everything, it should take you just very little time to do all. It's lessons 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so then you would click on the check for understanding, uh, number 3. Oh, here we go. Number 3, and it's going to bring up a short little test for you. Let's see, make sure I got it on student. Okay, it's going to bring up this short little test. Okay, question: if the post office delivered mail exactly like the routers delivered messages on the internet, which of the following statements would be true? And you would click on the ones that you would think it would be true, and then you click submit. And let's see. Well, let's not do anything because I didn't answer it. Let's try here. Nope, just like if I clicked on one, two, I don't know if these are the answers. I'm not even looking at that. Then click submit. See, it tells you if it's wrong or not. So you've got a good opportunity here that you can really make some good grades if you want to bring your grade up. Okay. Um, and after this one, you're done with that. It'll tell you if you've done everything, and you put a little check beside it, and then you'll go to hit to the next one. If I click on it, and then I could click on this, it's going to take me to my my third, my second assessment, which would be it wants you to answer what redundancy is. What are the benefits? It's 2 questions that you need to answer, and do not answer them with just 1 or 2 words. Make sure that you have complete sentences. Okay, nothing incomplete. All right, and after that, you would hit submit, and you're done with lesson 4. Okay, that's all you have to do. Um, I'm going to stop this one, and then I'm going to go through the other 2 lessons, doing basically the same thing. And now I'm going to just stop sharing it.